Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen rotation not working on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! First, let's simply check if we have our screen rotation enabled or not. We can do that by expanding our control center by just swiping down from the top right corner. In here we have this very strange icon, at least by default you have it, and if you increase it once again, we now know that this is called landscape. Now, this seems kind of weird. Oh, by the way, if you have it set up like this will be named portrait. And when you have this locked version, your tablet is locked to the landscape mode, meaning that you cannot really rotate it automatically by any means, and that kind of sucks, let's be honest here. So what you want to do is you want to just expand the control center once again, and then click this, and now we are in the auto rotate mode, meaning that if you would try to rotate your device, it now rotates freely. And not only that, the home screen rotates freely, but also applications also just do that. We can test it on something simple like, well, I'm looking for the calculator here. And for example, if you want to, you can also change your calculator, which is pretty funny. And yeah, that's looking pretty cool. And still, if just enabling and disabling this feature doesn't help you because of any reason whatsoever, you can also expand the control center once again, and then click power icon and reboot your device. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it does really help. Not only that you're rebooting your software, but hardware as well, including gyroscopes, which basically check the rotation of the device, and then using that information, the screen rotation feature can do its magic, which is pretty cool. And also, just as a final note, make sure that the app that you want to rotate into different modes actually supports both modes. It's pretty easy to forget, but not every application supports both portrait and landscape mode, and the best example of this are probably games, like Clash Royale only being able to be played in the portrait mode, portrait mode, and Clash of Clans, which can only be played in the landscape mode. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.